Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice message transcripts on WhatsApp, step by step. This feature lets you convert voice messages into text, so you can read them anytime, even when you can't listen. Let's get started. WhatsApp's new transcription feature automatically converts audio messages into readable text on your device. It's great for moments when you're in a meeting, in public, or just can't use headphones. The best part? The transcription is done locally on your phone, so your privacy is protected. To enable this feature on Android, open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, go to Settings, next tap on Chats. Then scroll down and tap Voice Message Transcripts. Toggle it on and choose your preferred language. Currently, this feature supports languages like English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian. More languages will be added over time. Also, make sure your app is up to date. This feature is still rolling out and may not be available in all countries yet. And that's it. A quick and easy way to enable and use voice message transcripts in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.